Here I have Poco C40, and today I'm going to show you how to enable custom watermark in camera on this device. So firstly you have to open camera, then tap on three stripes here, go to its settings, and then go to the watermark. So to add custom watermark you have to firstly enable device watermark, no date and time needed, and here you can add your custom text up to 14 letters. You can enter your name, surname, or anything you want. So I'm just gonna enter the name of my favorite YouTube channel and now show you how it will look like. So let's take some photo just for an example, and here you can see my device name and my custom watermark. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.